In this update of the 32.6-kilometer Techiman Nkonsia Wenchi Road project, we begin at the outskirts of Atrensu. From the aerial footage, one of the first things that stands out is the extensive cashew plantations surrounding the corridor. Agriculture remains the backbone of the local economy, and many communities along this stretch depend on farming as their primary source of livelihood. The importance of this road is therefore expected to have a direct impact on agricultural productivity and income generation. Once completed, farmers will be able to transport cashew nuts and other farm produce to markets more quickly and efficiently, reducing transportation costs and minimizing post-harvest losses. Moving further ahead, the contractor is carrying out extensive road corridor clearing, shoulder formation, and earthworks along the project corridor. Construction activities are actively ongoing, with heavy equipment operating continuously throughout the day. Trucks can be seen hauling gravel and selected fill material from nearby borough areas to the construction sites. Upon arrival, the material is deposited along the shoulders and designated work zones. Dozers then spread the material evenly across the formation width, while graders shape the layers to the required level and cross-fall. After shaping, boomer compactors move in to compact the material, increasing its density and strength to provide a stable foundation for the subsequent stages of road construction. Due to the scale of these operations and the limited availability carriageway during construction, traffic is managed in phases. Vehicles traveling in opposite directions are often required to wait and take turns passing through the active work zones. Although this occasionally results in temporary congestion, it is a necessary measure to ensure the safety of both motorists and the construction personnel. From the aerial view, it becomes even more apparent that the cashew plantations extends on both sides of the corridor. These farming communities rely heavily on this road for the movement of agricultural inputs, produce, traders, and services. The improved corridor will strengthen the agricultural value chain and support commercial activities throughout the district. Switching from the drone to drive-through footage, we travel from Ayesu through Atrensu towards the section where the earthworks are actively ongoing. Along the route, continuous roadside clearing can be observed, creating adequate space for construction activities and improving visibility along the corridor. The drive-through perspective also provides a closer look at the scale of the ongoing works and the interaction between construction activities and everyday traffic movement. Returning to the area coverage, the broader landscape reveals the economic significance of the corridor. Beyond serving local communities, the road links productive agricultural zones to a larger market and commercial centers. Improved road conditions will encourage trade, facilitate investment, lower vehicle operating costs, and improve access to healthcare, education, and other essential services. The benefits of the project therefore extend beyond local communities and contribute to the wider economy of both the Bono and Bono East regions, as well as Ghana as a whole. We then proceed towards Abuabo from the outskirts of Atrensu, where drainage works are actively ongoing. Drainage is one of the most important components of any road project. Proper drainage systems collect water and channel stormwater away from the roadway, preventing erosion, flooding, and water infiltration into the pavement layers. Without adequate drainage, even a well-constructed road can deteriorate rapidly. The ongoing drainage works will therefore play a critical role in protecting the long-term durability and performance of the highway. A contractor site camp is also visible along the road. The camp serves as an operational base for engineers, technicians, equipment and materials, allowing machinery and personnel to be deployed quickly to different sections of the project. This improves efficiency, reduces downtime, and supports the smooth execution of the construction activities across the 32.6-kilometer corridor. The journey then continues through to Aurora, where excavator earthworks are currently underway. Here, excavation, shaping and preparation of the formation continues as construction progresses towards the next stages of the development.